Hi, welcome to Nomad Credit. Today I want to talk to you about Nomad Credit's admissions process and to give you a brief overview of how it's done and what the timeline is. We'll be looking at two graphics today in our presentation, one following a student's journey for the fall semester intake and one for the spring semester intake. The steps are essentially the same, with key differences lying in when you want to get these steps done during the year. Keep in mind, this is not an exhaustive list of steps you will need to take, but these are some of the major requirements you will need to take care of when studying abroad. First, let's look at the timeline of a typical fall semester intake student. Starting with the initial consultation, you'll want to have that completed somewhere between April and May of the year before you plan on starting school at your university. You'll then want to have your profile evaluation consultation somewhere between August and September of that year. Towards the end of the year, in between October and December, you want to have your consultation regarding choosing your universities to apply to. At the beginning of the year that you'll want to start school, you'll have your consultation about writing your statement of purpose as part of your university applications. For your financials, you'll want to have a loan options consultation if needed, somewhere in March. Additionally, somewhere between March and April, you'll want to have your consultation regarding selecting your final decision on the universities you would like to attend. Any visa training needed will occur in May or June of that year to make sure you're all set for traveling to the United States. And any additional services needed after you acquire your visa will likely be done between July and August. Once all this is done, you'll be able to arrive safely and comfortably with everything taken care of on campus, hopefully by September of that year. Let's take a quick look now at how the spring intake student would differ along their timeline. You'll see, like I mentioned, that the steps are essentially the same, just will occur in different parts of the year. Okay, so beginning again with the initial consultation, you'll want that to occur somewhere between February and April preceding the year you want to start school. In this case, it would be January, as it would be a spring intake. Moving on, you'll want to have your consultation to have your profile evaluation done somewhere in May. Going on to June is when you'll want to have your consultation about selecting your university that you would like to apply to. In July, if needed, you can have statement of purpose writing consultation to help you with that in your applications. Once again, if needed, you can have a consultation regarding loan options in the United States for international students. That would occur in September. Somewhere between August and September, you'd have your admissions decisions consultation to decide on the universities you'd like to select as far as making your final decision. Visa training would occur in October of that year. Anything else needed after you acquire your visa would occur in that December. And then right at the beginning of that year in January is when you would arrive on campus with everything taken care of, hopefully. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully this brief overview of the study abroad process was helpful in getting an idea of what and when needs to be completed when traveling to the United States. If you have any further questions or would like to get started on the process, you can reach out to one of our admissions counselors today here at Nomad Credit. Thank you.